Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money right here on cex.io. And for this we click right here on CXO wallet. So click on this, and then right now what you will find is here an option where we can click on add funds. Then right now what we're going to do is select right here an asset that you want to fund, but keep in mind if you select something like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you need to copy that wallet address in the other crypto account that you're using on another broker. But for now I'm from the Netherlands, so what I'm going to do is I select right here euros. And then from now we select right here, select a payment method. So we can do Apple Pay, Google Pay or a credit card. Now, if I do Apple Pay, then right now we select right here the amount. So if you want to pay this with Apple Pay, we click right here on pay and then scan this code, and then we can do the payment. And then after that, we just put or deposit some euros to our account. So you can add all the funds, what you want. You can search it right here in the list. But if you can see, you have a lot. So decide what you want to do, but this is how you can deposit money to your account or crypto. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.